All right, I'm excited today to open our new Cuisinart air fryer convection oven. It's a healthier way to fry extra large capacity. It'll actually hold up to 4 pounds of food. Put a pizza in there, and it's a pretty big box over here. We're going to open up shortly. Let's start by opening. There's 4 flaps here. Let's remove the 4 flaps. Pretty big box. So as soon as you open it, the first thing that you're going to notice, it's got the air fryer rack where you put your tasty French fries or onion rings or anything else that you want to air fry. Quite well protected. Lots of cardboard around it. And here comes the main machine itself. So you can see in here. It's got the oven timer, the temperature control here in Fahrenheit. It's got the different functions: toast, bake, air fry, warm, broil, and broil. And the toast as well. And if you're using the toast timer mode, you use this button over here. Over here, it's got ample space here. Okay, now we're looking back in the box. Just underneath the oven there's also a little pan. Actually a pretty decent sized pan. Probably a good foot long there. And there is a couple of racks there. Well, actually, no, just one rack. And that's it. So we're gonna make some onion rings right now, so let's give it a test and see how it works. Okay, after I took it out of the bag, what I forgot to mention was it actually comes with an instruction manual over here. Also, the air fryer oven, it actually had this stuck at the front. Don't worry, you can actually just peel it right off. It's not one of those sticky tapes. It actually comes off really easy, one of those sticky plastics. Okay. So that's when you pull it off the front glass of the oven. And here's the instruction guide. French one side, English on the other. This is the actual TOA60C model. There is also a digital model above it. My only fear was more around the digital timer. Just afraid there's more problems with that. And I read some reviews, and this one definitely had better reviews than the higher model one with the digital timer. And of course, you got some additional information around the warranty, I think. Let's take a look. Is this warranty information? Do not return the product to store. Okay, well that helps. That's it. Time to eat. Well, I guess before we can eat, let's make sure we have everything in properly. So let's start with the tray to catch any oils. There's a little slot there on the bottom here, on each slide. So it slides to the bottom there. And then above that, you're gonna put in the rack. The rack goes just above it. And you gotta kind of, when you put it in, you kind of have to lift it up a little bit so it goes into this little crevice there and it hooks in. And finally, once you put whatever you want, whether it be French fries or onion rings, chicken wings, put that on top there. And that's it, and away you go. So I have it tucked away just underneath the cupboard here, and as you can see, I also noticed that there's a little light button there, so it's already pressed by default. So that when you actually turn on the toaster function, so it's on toast right now, or if you're baking, it actually lights up on the inside there. If you want to turn off the light, you can just hit the button over there, and then there's no light. Okay, so to air fry, all I simply did was turn this knob to the air fry mode, as you can see, and then just turn on the timer, and that's it. So I set it to about half an hour here. And if you see inside there, we've got some delicious onion rings. So can't wait to eat it. Okay, we've taken it out of the toaster oven now. And as you can see, it came a little darker than I expected. The air fryer mode is actually quite hot, so I put it in for probably about 20 minutes, probably too long. So I recommend putting it in for about maybe 10 to 12 minutes in the future. All right, but thanks for watching.